She walked in smiling with a small anniversary lunch. And within a minute, a white manager turned her day into a public nightmare, cornering her in the lobby, accusing her of trespassing, calling her a liar, and then dumping water down her face in front of staff, clients, and a running live stream. What the manager didn't know was this. The black woman she humiliated was the CEO's wife, and the moment he arrived, every lie, every insult, and every drop of cruelty ignited a downfall no one in that building could stop. The glass doors of MarlonTech slid open as Liana Brooks stepped inside, carrying a small lunchbox she'd made at sunrise. She wanted to surprise her husband, Jordan, for their anniversary before his afternoon meetings began. The lobby was bright, quiet, and pulsing with the energy of a fast-growing tech empire. Employees hurried past with tablets and headsets, barely noticing her, until one woman stopped, turned, and locked eyes on her like a target. Helena Price, head of HR, feared by some, obeyed by all, trusted by none who truly understood her. Helena's heels clicked sharply as she approached. "Excuse me," she said, voice dipped in hostility. "Employees only," Liana offered a polite smile. "I'm here to see my husband." Don't lie," Helena snapped. "You people always try to bluff your way in." Several employees lifted their heads. The temperature of the room changed. Liana's posture straightened. "Ma'am, I have an appointment." Helena barked a laugh. "There's no appointment. And even if there was, this building doesn't allow unverified visitors." Her tone dripped like poison. "Put the box down and step back before I call security." Before Liana could respond, Helena snatched the lunchbox, opened it, and sneered. Pathetic attempt. "Who sent you? Which employee are you chasing? Or did you think the CEO was your ticket to a better life?" "This is for my husband," Liana said, teeth clenched. Wrong answer. The lobby cameras were already recording. So were several employees who sensed something terrible was unfolding. Helena stepped closer. "I don't know what fantasy you're living in, but you're leaving, now." She held the lunchbox above a trash can. "Don't," Liana said sharply. Helena smiled. A cruel, deliberate smile. Then, she poured an entire cup of cold water straight down Liana's face, soaking her hair, her skin, and the lunchbox she clutched to her chest. Employees gasped. One dropped a tablet. Someone whispered, "She's live streaming this." Helena didn't care. "Now you look like what you are, an intruder trying to scam her way into a building she doesn't deserve to walk through." Liana froze, stunned, dripping. The humiliation was suffocating. Helena leaned in. "And when security gets here, they'll escort you out like the trash you—" The elevator dinged. Jordan stepped out. Everyone in the lobby saw his expression change in an instant. Shock, fury, disbelief all colliding as he saw his wife standing drenched, shaking, humiliated. "Liana?" His voice cracked like thunder in the silent lobby. Helena spun, ready to fabricate another lie. "Mr. Brooks, thank God I caught this woman trespassing." She was interrupting. Jordan didn't blink. "That woman is my wife." Helena's face collapsed. One employee covered her mouth. Another backed away as if witnessing a crime scene. Jordan walked straight to Liana, placed his hands around her shoulders, and steadied her. "Who did this?" Liana didn't speak. She didn't need to. Everyone's eyes shifted to Helena. Jordan turned slowly, like a storm gathering precision. "Helena Price," he said, voice calm but deadly. "Tell me exactly what you just did." She stuttered. "Sir, I assumed—" "You assumed?" Jordan stepped closer. "You assumed you could insult her? Touch her? Pour water on her? Destroy something she made for me? Humiliate her in front of employees and customers? On a live stream?" Helena's breath shook. I thought she was lying." "You thought?" Jordan repeated. "And your thought process exposes exactly why I'm about to do this." He faced every employee watching. "My name is Jordan Brooks. As of this moment, Helena Price is terminated from MarlonTech. Effective immediately." A wave of reactions surged through the lobby. Gasps, whispers, a few employees quietly cheering behind their hands. Helena's voice rose in panic. "You can't do that." I've been here since this company started. I shaped this workforce. Your entire HR system is the reason hundreds of qualified applicants were rejected, Jordan cut in. My team informed me about the audit results this morning. And your name was on every flag decision? Helena's eyes widened. You can't prove that? Jordan pulled out his phone. 731 rejected applications. 90% from black candidates with higher qualifications than the people you hired. He played a clip, her own recorded email. Her voice filled the lobby. We need the right image for MarlonTech. Not people who don't fit the culture. Helena lunged forward. Stop! Security, Jordan said calmly. 2 guards stepped to his side. Helena froze. Jordan looked at her with quiet devastation. You didn't just attack my wife. You attacked every person who ever tried to build a future here, and I will rebuild this company without the poison you left behind. Security escorted Helena out as she screamed threats, excuses, and empty pleas. The live stream captured everything. Millions viewed it within hours. The entire industry exploded. By evening, civil rights organizations contacted Liana. By morning, national news reported systemic discrimination at MarlonTech. By the next week, Helena faced lawsuits, investigations, and permanent blacklisting from every major HR network. Meanwhile, Jordan and Liana rebuilt the company from the inside out. New hiring systems, new leadership, new culture. Diversity surged. Inclusion became policy, not a slogan. Job applicants wrote letters thanking Liana for exposing what they never could. Months later, at the company's annual conference, Jordan introduced Liana as MarlonTech's new chief equity officer. Employees stood, applauding, not out of obligation, but gratitude. And when the lights dimmed, Jordan said quietly into the microphone, "Humiliation didn't break us. It revealed the truth, and truth rebuilt this company stronger than any deal ever could." If you believe dignity is non-negotiable, make your voice impossible to ignore. Like this video, share it everywhere, and comment where you're watching from and which moment hit you hardest. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a story where arrogance falls and justice rises.